In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.1, which is the superb. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details we provide, including information about the cuisine, ambience, open for and drive-thru options. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Two categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is good. Guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Check-in time of this hotel is 2 p.m. and the checkout time is 11 a.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. The deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can get us by emailing. We will help you. For booking or more details, check in the description box. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will